Hey guys, it's Mark here at Rickshaw with a little Monday show and tell. I've really been getting into printing on blue denim, performance denim. It kind of started with printing the Tempest pattern on blue performance denim. I then worked up some other patterns, so I'll take you through the patterns that I've got so far. So last week I somehow did a deep dive on ampersands and the history of the ampersand, and kind of this idea you can't judge a font by its ampersand. Well, sometimes you can. So I collected up all these different ampersands, laid them out, thought it would look cool on the blue denim, and so this is the ampersand bonsai. The next one is a kind of a rainforest theme. This is kind of fun. We've got a chameleon, a toucan, and a flamingo, and kind of this Amazonian rainforest pattern. I thought this turned out really well. There's actually 6 different gradations of blue in here to give the pattern a little extra life. The next one is kind of a tiki tribal pattern. It's kind of a Hawaiian looking pattern. This is a single color blue on the blue denim. I thought this looked really, really sharp. Next one is I took our Seigaiha pattern, which we've been printing for some time now on all the different colors of denim, but I turned the color of the Seigaiha pattern blue and enlarged it. So this is blue Seigaiha on blue performance denim. The next one, I showed this a couple weeks ago maybe. This is a flower pattern inspired by this drippy pot that I purchased. And I was inspired by this flower design here. I made some pen sleeves with different colors, and so I took that and made it into a larger pattern, made it a 2-tone pattern. So there's 2 layers of flowers here, a darker blue over a lighter blue, and this is our drippy pot flower pattern. So that's that one. And so we've got 6 blue denim patterned bonsais. We've made 1 of each, and so we're going to put those on the website today. But just to give you a preview, we have developed a whole collection. When we do this, we're kind of testing the patterns to see how they look. This pattern here is a nice kind of repeating pattern. It works really nicely on the bonsai bag, and so we have created a whole collection. So we'll be introducing this week. We've created our all of our different bags, from the bonsai to the Bixby, all of the koozie cases, the DPR, even our diplomat and our pocket notebook folio and our snap wallet and our eyeglass case. We got the whole kit here in blue denim, Tempest denim. And then, just so you can see, we're making a whole collection using our drippy pot pattern. So all of these are going to sewing tomorrow. I printed all these today. This is a whole collection in the drippy pot flower pattern. So, little show and tell of my adventures in printing on blue performance denim. Thanks for watching.